Hi there. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Denny. I'm the Director of Customer Experience and Strategy here at Adventure Learning, and I want to show you some of the exciting things we now offer under our new platform. So let's begin. You'll type in adventurelearning.com in your navigation bar here at the top. Head to our website and you'll be taken right to our homepage. From here, you'll click the login button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And if you already have an account, you'll log in with your existing details. All right, so I've logged in and you'll automatically be taken right to your dashboard. This is a brand new feature that we have on our site now that puts everything in one place for you so you can have a quick look at everything you'd like to see. So at the very top here, you'll see you have a recommended for you. This is one new thing that we've launched with our new platform is the ability to personalize suggestions and recommendations based on the account information and details you entered when you registered your account, or if you had an existing account with us from before the migration to this new platform, we took some of the information you already had from our previous site and we migrated that over and tried to personalize it the best we could for you at this time. So you'll see here that you have a recommended for you video based on some of your preferences. You'll see it's an adventure to fitness video. At any time, you can click play if you'd like to watch this giant play button here. You can also continue to scroll down on your dashboard page and you'll see a category section called subjects you are interested in. Any of these tiles can be clicked on and can take you to more information or more content within those subjects. Let's scroll a little bit further. You'll see a section here for recommended programs. If you're familiar with our platform, you'll see that we've expanded our content offering from just the Adventure to Fitness content we previously offered to now over 7,000 videos and resources under some of these other program providers. And you can scroll left to right. Anytime you see this orange arrow button on either side, you can scroll left to right and see what we have to offer here. So you'll see we have a lot of variety, a lot of different types of programs. And you can continue to scroll down and you'll see a playlist or favorites section. This is also a brand new feature that we now offer. This allows you to create your own specific playlists and favorite videos. That way you can get back to them easily at any time on this dashboard page. So again, we provide recommendations based on your current account settings. And then we also have this playlist section right here. So we have two pre-populated playlists that automatically are on everyone's account, my favorites and a watch later playlist, but you can also create your own playlist at any time. You'll see here I have a PE playlist. One way to create a playlist is here with this button, Create Playlist, on the right hand side of the screen. Simply click that and you can enter your playlist, whatever you'd like it to be. For this example, I'll insert first grade science. We hit create. Now you'll see that first grade science is added to my drop-down list of playlists. But I don't have any videos added to that yet, but we'll get to that in just a moment. Okay, so we'll scroll back up here to the subjects you're interested in. So like that playlist I just created, let's take a look at some of the science videos. So I'll click on this tile. We'll be taken to our science subject page. Again, we have a recommended video for you here at the top. You're welcome to watch. We have topics, if you'd like to narrow it down a little bit further. Or you can continue to scroll down and just see what we have to offer under each category. And again, you can scroll left to right if you're looking for a specific program provider. You'll see there's a lot of content here, a lot of different subjects and subcategories. I'm just going to scroll back up to the top. And I want to bring your attention here. This is a filter. It says science grade level and then this little white drop down box here. This allows you to filter by grade level or multiple grade levels if you're looking for something specific for your classroom. So like that playlist I created, I want to sort these science videos by grade 1. So I'll select that and click apply. If you want to search all videos, you can click this blank box here and everything will auto select. So we'll go back to just first grade. We'll click apply. And now this page below will have sorted based on programs that are assigned to first grade. So let's take a look here at Planet Cosmo in the astronomy section. I'll click on that. Planet Cosmo is a science content provider we have. This gives a quick description about what Planet Cosmo is all about, and also see that that filter that I had previously selected on the other page is still applied here. We'll have the recommended video. We do have a section for recently played, but you'll see I haven't played anything yet under this category, so there won't be any videos found. But as soon as you start playing some content in these categories, this recently played box will begin to populate, which is helpful and a nice shortcut if you want to get back to something that you watched earlier in the day or last week, something like that. Okay, so we'll see here that I had sorted through astronomy, so it's going to appear at the top of my list here. So let's just go ahead and click on this video. Click on the video, and here it is. This is the video player page. I can click play here, this play button, or if this is something I'd like to add to that playlist I just created, I'm going to come up here to this box with the little orange plus sign. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see my playlist drop down appears, and I'm going to select first grade science. And I can just click off of that, and you'll see later that when I go back to my dashboard that this video will be added to my playlist. If you'd like to watch a video, click play.
Activate Cosmic Explorer unit.
You can also maximize the screen to a full screen here. In the bottom right hand corner, those little arrows. You can press escape, or you can go back to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and you can exit full screen. Okay, so let's head back to the dashboard. So I'm going to scroll back down to my playlist section. Whoops. And I'm going to click on first grade science and make sure that that video is there. Yep. Sure enough, the Planet Cosmo mountain climbing video that we just began to watch is now added to my playlist, and I can get back to it very easily anytime I log in. Another way to sort through subjects is to come over here on your left-hand side of the screen. You'll see all the same subjects that we saw up earlier on the page are also here on the left-hand menu, and you can sort through those. And click on Health and Fitness. Again, that filter that I had previously selected for first grade is still applied, so at any time you can remove that and see everything we have to offer. So I'll scroll down. Again, we have our listing of topics, program providers, and the subjects here. If you're looking for something short, or if you're looking for our favorite Adventure to Fitness videos, you can click here. Again, you'll be taken to the overview of what Adventure to Fitness or the program provider that you've selected is all about and the type of content they offer. Recommended videos, recently played videos. As you can see, I have played a few videos here, so that recently played selection is starting to populate for me. One other thing I'd like to show you is another filter option. Perhaps you're looking for a specific length of video within a particular category. You'll see that there's multiple options here for if you want something less than 2 minutes all the way up to 15 minutes or more. You can select that. But just note that it will only filter what's in this row here. As you can scroll further down, oops, not here, now that I have the filter. You can scroll down on some of the other subjects or other topics and filter under those rows as well. Okay, so let's take a look here at Adventure to Fitness. And let's just scroll here and click on Medieval Madness. This is a full-length adventure from Adventure to Fitness. And one thing I want to show you here, now that you're on this video page, is this section here. So below the video, we have the option for teacher guides, parent guides, lesson plans, etc. And you'll see that there's sections here that are in color, and then in this other section here that is kind of grayed out. If you find something that is grayed out, that means we currently don't have that information populated for that title, but it is coming, and once it is there, it will become in color just like the rest here. You can click on any of these rows. For example, let's look at classroom principles. A drop down will appear, And you can click on any of these links and it should open a nice PDF for you in a new window, or download it to your machine. And then you'll be able to open that up once it's ready and print it out for your classroom or as a take-home assignment. And you can minimize that row by clicking on the bar again. You can move up to the next thing. You'll see all that we have here. Same for teacher guides, pre and post episode guides, parent guides, etc. And again, these will be in color if the activities exist. If they aren't currently there, it will be grayed out. Okay, another option we have here is Common Core. This is something we're still developing out, but currently we have math and literacy for our Common Core subjects. And it will show all the current providers we have in those categories. Also want to show you here on this left-hand menu is your account information. So since we migrated to this new platform in the last couple of months, we are continuing to make adjustments and enhancements to this experience. At this time, it'll show you what plan you are currently subscribed to. In this demonstration, I have selected the school-wide access, which gives me full access to all content. But if you have a different type of plan, it will display if you're a monthly subscriber, an annual subscriber, or perhaps you're still on one of our free plans, and that'll be displayed here as well. Okay, and then another shortcut to the teacher resources that we just went through with like that coloring activity. You can find all of that here under any particular subject if the activity or downloadable exists. Last but not least, we have our FAQ section. Again, these are drop-down rows. You can click on the bar and it'll drop down for you and provide the answer. So if you have any questions, feel free to check through here. And as we continue to learn more about your experience with our site, we'll go ahead and add any other questions we have here that we find are kind of common. As you experience the site, you might find something that we haven't thought of yet, and it might be helpful for someone else. So please don't hesitate to contact us with any comments or suggestions so we can get that added here, as it might be helpful for someone else. And last but not least, always at the bottom of our screen, we have the option to contact us. So again, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, if you need help with your account or you're looking for something, don't hesitate to contact us. You can fill out this quick form with your name, email, and message, or you can click here to email us. And here's our phone number. And we also have a chat option with one of our live customer service representatives. Okay, we'll head back over. We're going to go back to our dashboard. Just a quick overview, we have a recommendation section here at the top based on your account preferences or subjects and grade levels that you selected when you created your account. We have subjects you were interested in. Again, you can click on any of these tiles to be taken to more information under those subjects. We have recommended program providers. You can scroll left to right and click on any of these tiles to be taken to more content from that particular provider. We have our playlists and favorites section. You can create any number of playlists you'd like. There's no limit. You can get as specific as you'd like. If you only want one episode under each playlist, that's fine too. And we also have your left-hand side menu to take you to more subjects, your account information, teacher resources, and finally, if there's a particular keyword or something that you're looking for, you can always type that in the upper right-hand search bar up at the top. For example, if you want to type fitness, if you're looking for fitness videos, type that in, and it's going to bring up a list of results just like you would do if you're looking for something on Google. And then it'll bring up any video that has a title of that word or the word fitness in the description or anything that we've tagged with that keyword with it. Those results will appear. And you can click on any of these pictures or the words to be taken to that video. And again, you can also sort by topic and length here in your search results. Well, that does it for the quick overview on our new platform and the exciting features. We're very excited to get to know more about you and be able to personalize this more for you. Again, please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any comments, questions, or suggestions. Stay tuned for more as we'll continue to provide more tutorials on how to best use the site and navigate through it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Denny, the Director of Customer Service and Strategy at Adventure Learning. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, and have a great day.